Okay. Say hi, Han. Hi for my bunny. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the nice bridge over here. We're over the over, not under. Okay, guys. So look at how big this river. It's divided into what is that? A little bit of island. Han?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are two. So that one and that one. So the river is divided into two island, but they are now low. So, Han, why is it there is a low tide and high tide here? There is no high tide and low tide in the river.
It's all controlled by the lake.
Oh, it's controlled by the lake. This river.
This feeds into Lake Erie.
Okay, tell me about the Lake Erie, Han.
It's that way.
Oh, yeah, tell me about it.
It's a big lake.
Then,
The rivers flow into it.
okay, which part of the United States is the Lake Erie?
It separates the United States and Canada.
Okay, so but they're connected by that lake,
Yep.
Canada and
U.S.
U.S. So is this the longest river here? No,
In the area, yeah.
in the area. So what is the longest river in the United States?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. Okay. Thank you for the information, Honey Bunch. Hi guys, we are here in Maumee River. So this is the river here connected to Lake Erie. And there are a lot of fishermen over in that area. What, Honey Bunch? We're looking or watching nature today. Look at the trees over there. That is an island that's separate with by the river, right? So look at that. And we're in the highway. Looking all the nice scenery here. Look at the views, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, we're walking. It's cold. Under the bridge is it's warm. Oy, I don't know what's that one. Oh, it's nice in here. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm scared.
I don't see any fish.
Oh no, I'm scared. It's really
Little baby fish
so.
are down here.
Where? Just okay.
I want to find out something during my exercise period just then.
What?
I watched my heart speed up
Uh-huh.
and then like normal went back down.
It's back down.
Yes, back down. I'm back to normal again.
You're back to normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
It's when it goes up and don't come down, that's when I got the problem.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
My heart rate mine jumped up to about 85, 90 at the most.
Okay, guys, we're gonna
Get lost.
get lost. While get lost, we're gonna look at some nature. So you're gonna go with us. Oh, a lot of trees over here, there, here. Oh, look at the trees. Oh, I like it here. Wow, I like that. Look at the tree starts to back this normal way. Normal. Okay, guys.
You didn't even look at the houses on this side.
We're gonna get lost today. Okay, we're looking for another road for detour, guys. So here we go. Let's see over here. Okay. This is the first time
I've ever been on this road.
you've been here in this road, no?
Yeah, first time.
Oh, first time. Okay. So look at the trees, guys.
Like, I never knew that gas station was there.
Oh, $2.89 the gas over there. Look at the trees, guys.
Pamela Rose Auction Company.
Pamela Rose. Pamela. So look at the trees at the side. Oh, starts to green and green and green. Look at that. Guys, this is a detour because in the other side of the road it's closed because it is why it's closed, hon?
Road work.
Road work. Okay, so we are here in the other side of the road. This is the first time we pass this road. Okay.
I think I know where we're at.
Okay, there's a policeman, guys. Here, policeman, police. Okay. Hi, okay, guys. Welcome to my channel, Kinabuhing America Vlog. So look at that. This is the place in Waterville, not far from our house. There is a river over there. Look at the view. It's really nice one, guys.
We're gonna walk up here.
Oh, and look at that. You can see the view here. Really good. And good. Like, okay, we're gonna go over there, guys. And we're gonna show you the nice bridge. Okay, I think I don't know.
We're gonna park right here.
Can you park over here?
That's what those squares are.
I don't know.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're gonna park and we're gonna go over there. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay guys, we are here in Waterville. Look at that one. Wait, can we walk over that one? Oh, let's see. Oh, there is no spot on here to walk. So we're here in the new bridge that we built. I think last year. We're walking over that place. It's in a river. That one. That's a big rock, son. Where did you get that rock? Look at that. There's a lot of rocks in here. We're next to the river. This is a nice views here. Oh, we cannot walk. We can walk. Wow. Low tide, high tide. Low. See, that's my bunny. The Hi Kinabing America vlog. Ooh, we're under the bridge. We're under the bridge, guys. Okay, I'm just show with you our place here. Okay. Taxis. Oh, look at the ducks. Duckies, whoa. Oh, wow, the ducks enjoying the river run. This is a big river. This river is connected to the place where we have come before. Next to, what is that, the Momi over there? Oh. Oh. Yeah, there are boats.
Hi, welcome to my vlog, Kinabuing America vlog. Today we're watching nature here. It's a little bit warm today, and we are next to the river, and I'm gonna show you guys the river and the big rocks in here. Okay guys, I let you watch us here.